I used to have this incredible smile. I had really big teeth that everybody said, wow, you have nice teeth. And then later in life, they all deteriorated. And now I can smile, laugh. I don't eat a lot of steak, but when I do, it'd be nice to be able to chew it. And I was actually using my front teeth to do the chewing, which eventually broke down all my front teeth down to nubs. I used to say I used to play professional hockey. And that would lighten up the conversation. I've been taking my dental care a lot better, more seriously now. And before, it was like, it doesn't matter because look what I'm working with. But now that I have nice teeth, doing flossing, water picking, been able to chew, digest food a lot better. People can understand me better, and my speech has helped my speech. So it's been a big improvement. I didn't want to spend the money to do this. Look at it this way. I'm almost 60 years old, and I've spent a lot of money to have this done. Sometimes you look at it, is it really worth spending that money? Because I can go out and buy a new car. I can do a nice vacation. But after it's all said and done, very happy that I made that choice. Nobody likes to go to the dentist. I don't like going to the dentist. I've had bad experiences going to the dentist where they've made mistakes, a little bit of numbness from previous people. So what you have this unknown. The dentist that I've been working with, their techniques are so good and virtually painless. It's been a good experience. Kaiser did all the implant work. Fantastic techniques, great people. The result is life-changing. It really, really is. It has completely changed my life and my day-to-days, talking to people. I used to have this incredible smile. I had really big teeth that everybody said, wow, you have nice teeth. And then later in life, they all deteriorated. And now I can smile, laugh, and definitely take out the money and to get it done. It'll be worth it. It'll help you not just with socializing, but with your overall health. Everybody said what a huge difference. People on the job site have made really nice comments. Some of my clients, some of my subcontractors have all made nice gestures to me about the difference. Just hearing that from people makes you feel really good about spending that money and going through the process.